How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be shop card shout outs and stash ad, mail call, you know the whole deal. But before we get this video started, thank you to my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, hey, it don't cost nothing, it's free. I will never ask you for anything. This channel don't ask for nothing, guys. Just ask for your support. If I ever mention anybody in my videos that's got a channel, we'll always have a link in the description. Go check them out. And let's see, well, you know, the usual. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Whatever makes your world go around. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Alright, let's start this video out first. My brother from another mother down there next door in Texas, old Justin from J Hart, sent me his brand new shop card. Look at that. That sucker is nice. And if y'all don't know Justin, he is one hell of a builder, guys. One hell of a builder. I mean, you know, he really don't need no introduction. Everybody knows him. But if for some reason you don't, description will be below, and go check him out. This dude is freaking awesome. That one right there was that C1 conversion, that Nova convert. My God. Well, and then that right there is just awesome too, his Chevelle. Everything he does is awesome. Go check out Justin, my brother from another mother. All right. And another brother from another mother, another southern brother of mine, Mr. Tom White, old Rambler 69. He contacted me the other day, well, here a week or so ago, and said he was going to liquidate some kits to make room for some more kits. He says, do you want in? I said, yes, yes. So I think I got like 30 models off of George. I'm not George, sorry. Tom. I think I bought 29 and he gifted me a kit too. So 30 kits I got off Tom. And he also sent me his brand new shop card. And, you know, of course, I got their old ones too, his old one too and everything. But everybody, if you don't know old Tom, you're missing out. This dude right here is freaking amazing. He can build anything from hot rods to the Le Mans. It don't matter. This guy, GT car or whatever, you know, Japanese cars. I mean, Tom can build anything. And he's my Florida boy right there. He can do anything. So check him out too, which I'm sure everybody in the community already knows, but this is for the guys that don't know. Go check him out. Like, subscribe. But, okay, speaking of old Tom, I guess I'll show you everything, I guess. This big old box, I've had to get some of the stuff out of the box just, and we'll start with some of these ones first. Okay, I got one of them. What is that? What is that? That's a 57 Chrysler 300. That one's still sealed. Let's see. I'll only show you one of these because I got two of those off of him. Police cars. Crown Vic police cars by Lindbergh. Got me another one of these. The Firestone truck. Ford 4-wheel drive, 78 Ford 4-wheel drive. I think my buddy Jethro down there in Florida, I think he got a 78 or is it 79 Ford he bought brand new. Let's see. Got me another one of them. Was that a Cameo? 55 Cameo. Let's see. If I can get these back in the box, guys. Or, yeah, excuse me. I ain't even got room for these. These are all going to have to go out to the garage. I don't have room in here for none of this. But I bought it anyway. And then this is a Lindbergh Ford Model T custom pickup. Got that one. Looks like I got another 55 Cameo too. but this is in the different box. This was like the early original type box or whatever it come in. I got a sealed Kevin Harvick. I don't even know what that is. Ford Fusion. Ford Fusion, guys. I know we're getting a glare on this stuff. Sorry about that. Ford Fusion. Let's see. A Camaro. Old Camaro. 2010 Camaro SS. Yes, sir. Revell. A Dodge RT Viper, I guess. That Viper, I don't know. Got that sucker right there, still sealed. Let's see. Monogram 55 Classic Cruiser Ford pickup. That's a matte special right there. Sorry, guys. This is still sealed. This is a 2010 Corvette. And an Army tank. Snap together. My niece will put that together for me. Let's see what else we get here. We got... I had to stack some over here too. We got an a la carte. I have like 3 of these now. Let's see. Got a Tom McEwen Mongoose Wedge Dragster. Very good kit. Got another one of these. That's the 57 Ford Del Rio Ranch Wagon 2-in-1. I got a 41 Chevy truck, still sealed. 40 Ford Coupe by Lindbergh, still sealed. I got another one of these. This is Roscoe P. Coltrane. That's his sheriff police car, MPC. And 2 of these bad boys. One not sealed, one sealed. Dukes of Hazzard. If you don't know who the Dukes of Hazzard are, you've been living under a rock for a long time. And then this bad boy, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Baldwin Motion Cobra. That's awesome. This even got the hard top with it, guys. I think Mr. BG built this a long time ago on his channel. He did a hell of a job. Got a sealed 40 Ford custom pickup. I got the AMT Buyer's Choice 40 Willis Cooper pickup gasser. This is one of my favorites right here. I got the original Aurora flat box of this kit. And this is the Pyro reissue of this kit. I got both of them. That's awesome. I love these kits. It even comes with the figure and everything. Let's see. This is something I've been wanting. Right there. Tommy Ivo's 4-engine dragster, the Showboat. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And then here's another cool thing right here. Still sealed. This is a Mobius. What is that? A 52 or something like that? What is that? It don't say on here. I think it's like a 52, 54 Hudson. And that is a drag car. The fabulous Hudson Hornet. Maddie Winspers. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And then I got the Mobius Stoned Hoods and Crook. I've seen several people build this. I think Russell Model Cars. Oh shoot, guys, I'm sorry if I don't remember everybody, and it's an awesome kit built up, and that's one heck of a gasser. That would look good like the Stone Woods and Cook, the blue. When I build it, that's probably what it's going to be. It's going to be the blue probably. Then he knows I own MGs. He knows I'm an MG British car lover. And got another one of them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got about 10 or so MGBs. I love MGBs. Got an MGB GT sitting outside behind the garage. And then he gifted me this 132nd Freightliner with trailer. And he knows I love my small scale. Of course, you know me and Mr. BG, Brian, we host the small scale group build, just now wrapped up. By the time you see this, it had just now wrapped up. But thank you, Tom. Appreciate you. Y'all go check out Rambler69. Love that guy. Love him. Love him, love him, love him. All right. Y'all know I was out at Drew's house the other day. You know, we went out there for a model club meeting. Me, George, Drew, Mark. We all went out there for a little get together. Me and him did a trade, and I got this right here. And it is the Funny Farmer 63 Tempest altered wheelbase. There it is. I got another one off of him, but man, I don't remember what it was. It went out to the shed, I think it was, what was that? 50 something Ford Gasser. It was a Revell kit. Not the wagon, but the hard top. I got that off of him too, but it's out there. I'm not going to go look for it. And then I was over at a buddy's house today helping him move around his model room. He's got a shed out back, kind of like my garage, but bigger. And that's where his model room's at and stuff. And his name's JR. And I went out there today. I'm still dirty and filthy from doing all that, helping him get his garage halfway in shape. And when he gets it all straightened out to where you can get in there and see what all he's got, I'll go over to his house like I do George and Drew's, and I'll film all his models. He's got way more models than I got, way more than probably George got. I mean, he's got a lot of models, and a lot of them I've sold to him over the years. And he's got a bunch of my built models, some of my old built models back when I had to sell a bunch of stuff. He bought a bunch of stuff, sold stuff on eBay, Facebook, whatever. But he's got a few. So when we go over there, I'll show you the ones I built. He's got them in his display case. He's even got stuff that he's never built that I've sold him. BJ and the Bear diesel truck I sold him. Moving on. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff I sold him over the years. But we did a trade today. Speaking of a la cartes, I got the original double kit a la carte AMT from the 60s. Don't know if it's got a date on the box. Probably not. But this is like the second issue. There was the first issue. This is the second issue right here. I got this one off of him. Never been built. Everything's still in the box, complete. Everything's still in there. Instructions. Decals are shot, but you know, these old models, they are shot most of the time. And then I got this off of him. This Corvette Gasser from 1975. You can see right there. Still sealed inside. It's open, but it's sealed inside. Still sealed, decals, everything, all there. Got that off of him today. And I got another cool kit off of him today. I got this double 2 model set. You get the paddy wagon, which is, this one's the hard one to get. I mean, you know, you can build it like that. You can build, you know, you can also, it comes with 2 complete kits. So it comes with the stock Model T in here, and then it comes with the paddy wagon. Very, very cool kit. That was reissued in, trying to see if there's a date on this box. again. Guys, I'm sorry I'm holding this video up. I'm sure not seeing a date on here, but it was reissued back in sometime in the 2000s there. Whatever, guys. Sorry about that. And then I got one of these. I got one of these in my collection at all. So, of course, you know, I got that. But I don't have that one. That's probably, man, that right there be a good gasser right there. Yeah, well, it's going to be a gasser or something. It won't be original, and I don't know that it'll necessarily be like that, but it'll be something. All right, guys. Thank you for sticking around this long. Sorry to make such a long video. Go check out everybody that I've mentioned. I'll leave it in the description below. Support our community. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. Thank you very much. Thank you to Tom. Thank you to Justin. My buddy Drew, JR. Thank y'all. All right, love you. Bye. Peace out.